If you're still in the trading game, you must be thinking, why the hell am I not making any profit no matter what trades I do? And if I do make some, I lose it on the next Memecoin. And that is because it's the wrong game to play. You need to get into the dev game. And I will show you a simple method that has allowed me to stack 6 figures in my Phantom wallet. Follow this video and I'll show you the steps. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. All right, thanks for sticking around, guys. And as promised, I will get to showing you the method. But first, just another example of how deving is just not the best thing to do right now. This is a really interesting chart because if you look, initially there was a little bit of action and then there was nothing for ages and ages and ages. And then you got this tiny little period here where it all really kicks off and you've got that little window of opportunity only in those 3 hours. Are you really going to be making any kind of money? But you know, what if you've got a life and what if you've got things to do? You can't really sit there for, you know, 6 days. You can't sit there and figure out whether or not it's gonna go up or down or not. And when are you gonna guess, especially when it can turn around in just one day? You know, what if you've got a full-time job and you've got other commitments, you've got things you need to do, you know, otherwise your girlfriend's gonna leave you or whatever, right? Now look at these P&Ls here. Some of the top traders, these guys have incredible rates of P&L, and the reason for that is probably because they either are a dev or they know a dev. Okay, so we're going to put ourselves in a position of being a dev, and then if you want to, you know, pass your friends a little money on the side, you can tell them when your coins are launching. Now, CreateCoin.fun, this is the platform that we are going to use to launch our coin. Okay, this is important. So we're going to launch our coin on CreateCoin.fun. We're going to use a bit of Solana with no coding required. That used to be a gate back in the day that people couldn't get past, but now all you've got to do is push a few buttons. That's brilliant because I can't code at all. So the fact that I can do this just by pushing buttons is excellent. That's the best news I ever heard when I first found this method, okay, this platform. Now, let's take a look at some markets. So this is the pump market. Now, most of you will probably be familiar with the pump market and know that the market caps usually aren't great on the pump market. And, you know, being a dev on pump isn't great because you have loads of fees and also there's so many shit coins on there that you just can't compete. If you know, uploaded your coin at any time, you'd be looking at tens, if not hundreds of thousands of other coins getting in the way. We don't want to do that. We're instead going to go onto the Meteora market using Dynamic on Axiom, okay? Now look at this, 4 billion on that coin there, 1.5 billion here, 484 million there, and then, you know, a few lowers. Of course, there's going to be some losers, but look at this. The coins that break through really break through, and that's what we're going to use with CreateCoin.fun. I've got just over $100 worth of Sol inside my Phantom wallet. We're going to connect the wallet here. We're going to connect our Phantom wallet there. If it's already on your browser, it will detect it automatically and do that there for you. Now, if we're going to launch our own coin, what we can do is we can make up our own name, our own symbol. We can have a great time. We can come up with a cool narrative and a great image, and we can base it on a meme. Yes, it's going to be great. No, we're not going to do that because that takes loads of time, that takes loads of effort, and it probably will not work. So we instead are going to use the copy trending tool. Now, this is something that CreateCoin.fun has that allows us to find stuff on the pump market and then migrate it over to Meteora, and then we are going to do really well. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick any of these. Doesn't really matter which one. Can be Hoodrat, can be Avjack. And as you can see here, we've got a bunch of information about the potential market cap. We've got when they were last paired. So you can use all this information to make your decision however that may be. So it could be that like, oh, I'm going to pick one that has just been paired because the hype will still be there. Or you could pick one that has actually been a while since you've paired it, because you could be like, oh, loads of people would have done really well on that coin if it had a high market cap, and then go, oh, I remember that coin went crazy. And then they'll just pick that coin. I'm going to pick Bullex Becker because I want to, okay? And that's just to prove that any of these coins are good. Now, initially, you're going to get this request block thing, so just click through the confirmations there. This is a normal part of the process. I have to do this every single time I set up a wallet. I have to set up these wallets fresh so we can show you the whole process. Now, we have created our coin, okay? But it's not on the market right now because it needs some initial capital. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a bit of Sol into our coin that creates a liquidity pool. Now, only thing you need to worry about on this page, even though you've got all this information here, the only thing you've got to worry about is the amount of Sol, okay? So what I'm going to do is when I go to the amount of Sol, I am simply going to put in roughly 0.2 Sol, okay? So I create my liquidity pool with 0.2 Sol. That tends to be the number that works for me. You can experiment a bit and see what works for you. 0.2 has done me no wrong so far, so I would always recommend going with 0.2. So we're going to create that pool there. When we confirm our transaction, our coin will then be live and ready to trade, okay? So there we go. So that's most of our stuff done now. There's only one more step after this, but before that, let's have a quick look at some of this information here. We have got the pooled SOL that we put in, we've got the tokens, and we've got our estimated value. These numbers are all likely to change. So as you can see, our estimated value is at $15.60. Let's remember that number because it will change later. Now, the final and most important step of the initial setup is the boost token button. Okay, so we have got to implement this. Otherwise, the whole thing is going to, it might still work, but it will be nowhere near as effective. Okay, so we are going to boost ourselves on top of Dex Screener's trending list for an hour by paying 0.25 SOL. Okay, I know you might be a bit worried about spending that money, but I promise you will get it back and then some. Okay, this is what allows us to really get the ball rolling on top of the freer market and on top of the fact that it's already a trending coin. You can see how these things snowball into each other. So we're going to hit confirm on that transaction and then boom, we are good to go. So we're going to have a quick look. We're going to click on Dex Screener and see how our coin is doing. So this is the initial kickoff here. So you can see everything's at 0, but now we are looking great. So we have got 4.1k on the market cap immediately off the bat. That is incredible. I've hardly ever seen them launch up that quickly. So, you know, you can see the effects of the trending, the better market, and the boost that's really, really kicking us up into the stratosphere. Okay, a bit of a downturn, but that's okay because look, our liquidity is still in the 3Ks. You know, our market cap is still at 2.5K. We are higher than, we're back at 4. We are higher than most of those pump coins. So I would let this run for a little bit. And then what I would do is I would switch back to createcoin.fun like this whenever I feel like I'm ready to pull all that liquidity. So remember, we're at 1560. Now let's give it a refresh and let's see what we're at now. We are looking at, drumroll please, ladies and gents, 1.25k. Guys, we have nearly 100x'd our initial investment. That's incredible. So we are going to pull all of that out of the coin now and put it straight into our pockets. We pull 100% of our liquidity. Okay, we're going to remove all that liquidity, and then when we do, it'll go straight into our pockets, and that's where we want it. So we're going to confirm that transaction there, and then we're going to have a look. So I make money on these videos, obviously. If you like, subscribe, and leave a comment, I will put you into a prize draw where you could win half of what I make this video. Let's have a look. 116 to 1,249. You've got to try this method, guys, before everybody dog piles on.